Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Update firmware and your phone or laptop so the latest drivers are active. Once done, clean the meshes and ear tips gently. Blocked ports kill clarity, especially bass. Make sure your source EQ is set flat before tuning. This gives a neutral baseline. You'll also switch off any device-level enhancements or spatializers to avoid processing conflicts. These immediate steps create the clean platform you need to hear real improvements during the next tuning phase. Now focus on fit and precise EQ adjustments. You must find the correct ear tip size. Seal matters more than boost. Once you have a good seal, apply targeted EQ changes. Add about 2-4 dB around 100-300 Hz for fuller bass, reduce 300-600 Hz slightly to clear muddiness, and lift 3-6K Hz for vocal detail. Make small steps and listen between changes. Also try foam tips or wingtips to stabilize fit. Consistent positioning keeps low frequency. Finish by testing across tracks and codecs so you don't optimize for one song. Compare streaming and local files and confirm codecs used by the source. Switching codecs can change clarity and latency. If you hit imbalance, dropouts, or persistent distortion, clean the charging contacts, then reset and repair the Airpods. If problems continue, perform a full factory reset and reinstall firmware when possible. That reset usually fixes software-caused audio issues and restores expected performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.